Hi, this is a little video about the IceToolz ChainMaster. I bought this on eBay for $8.95, fast and free shipping, and I think it's the best one out there. Park Tools makes one that's just like a circle, right? Doesn't even do any of this, and it's like, I forget, I think it's about 20 bucks. A bunch of other companies make them, but none of them include this cool shape that, really is similar to when the derailleur's on there. I mean, whatever it's called, okay? And they don't come with this. So for $8.95, I think it's awesome. All right, let's open it. Cool. Seems really basic. I'm guessing I'm going to put this together, put the chain on it, put this on the axle part. All right, thank you.